Hi everyone, today our topic divisibility rules. First, two divisibility rule. Unit digit should be divisible by 2. For example, 5268, unit digit 8. 8 should be divisible by 2. So total number divisible by 2. Next, 2365. 5 is not divisible by 2. So the given number not divisible by 2. Next one, 3 divisibility rule. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. For example, 1362. So sum of 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2. Total sum 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So given number divisible by 3. Next, 2396. Sum of 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6. Total sum 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. So given number not divisible by 3. Next, 4 divisibility rule. Last two digits should be divisible by 4 on two zeros. For example, 2364. Last two is 64. 64 is divisible by 4. So given total number is divisible by 4. Next one, 9635. 35 is not divisible by 4. So given number not divisible by 4. Next one, 5 divisibility rule. Unit digit should be 0 or 5. For example, 5620. So unit digit 0 divisible by 5. Next one, 3682. So not divisible by 5. Next one, 6 divisibility rule. It should be follow 2 and 3 divisible rule. 2 and 3 divisible rule. For example, 5382. 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. So total sum 18. Total sum 18. 18 is divisible by 3. And the last is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So it follows 2 and 3 divisible rule. So given number 5382 is divisible by 6. Next, 6397. 7 is not divisible by 2. So given number is not divisible by 6. Next one, 7 divisibility rule. Unit digit multiply with 2 and subtract from remaining number. Result should be 0 or 7 multiple. Okay. So given number 343. Unit digit 3 multiply with 2 and subtract from remaining number. 34 minus 6. So then result 28. 28 is 7 multiple. So 343 is divisible by 7. Next one, 653. So 3 multiply with 2 and subtract from remaining number. 65 minus 6, result of 59. 59 is not divisible of 7 and not multiple of 7. So 653 is not divisible by 7. Next one, 8 divisibility rule. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8 or 3 zeros. 3 zeros. So given 36,000 is divisible by 8. Next one, 69,886. 886 is not divisible by 8. So given number not divisible by 8. Next one, 9 divisibility rule. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. So given 6561. Sum of 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. So total sum 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Given number also divisible by 9. Next one, 3698. Sum of 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8. So total sum 26. 26 is not divisible by 9. So given number not divisible by 9. Next one, 11 divisibility rule. Difference between sum of even places and sum of odd places should be 0 or 11 multiple. For example, 1331. Places 1, 2, 3, 4. So even places 2 and 4th places, odd places 1 and 3rd places. So difference between even places, 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 is, so 1331 is divisible by 11. Next one, 3684. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even places 6 plus 4 minus odd places 3 plus 8. 10 minus 11. So result 1. So 3684 is not divisible by 11. Next one, 12 divisibility rule. It should follow 3 and 4 divisible rules. For example, 2008 80, 2880. So 3 divisible rule. What is 3 divisible rule? Sum of 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0. So total sum 18. 18 is divisible by 3. And 4 divisible rule, last 2 8s. 80 is divisible by 4. So given number is divisible by 12. Next one, 2368. Sum of digits 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. Sum total 19 is not divisible by 3. So given number is not divisible by 3. Sorry, not divisible by 12. So next recap. So first, 2 divisible rule. What is 2 divisible rule? Unit should be divisible by 2. Next, 3 divisibility rule. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 3. Next, 4 divisibility rule. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4 or 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Next, what is 5 divisibility rule? Unit should be 0 or 5. Next, 6th. What is 6th divisible rule? It should follow 2 and 3 divisible rule. 2 and 3 divisible rule. Next, 7. What is 7 divisibility rule? Unit digit multiply with 2 and subtract from remaining number. Result should be 0 or multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. Next, 8 divisible rule. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8 or 3 zeros. Next, 9 divisibility rule. Sum of all digits should be divisible by 9. Next, 11. Difference between even places and odd places should be 0 or 11 multiple. 11 multiple. Next, 12 divisibility rule. It should follow 3 and 4 divisible rule. 3 and 4 divisible rule. Thank you.